Y'all know this song? Aw.
I'm too young.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E92 Posted.
E60.
Before we jump into anything, make sure you click subscribe, make sure you drop a like, and drop a comment for us. We are now about to be on our way to NV Auto Group for their, at their Lochmoor meet.
It's the second one ever we've done?
Yeah. We went last year, we had a blast. There was a great turnout, a lot of good cars. My personal favorite, I think, was that purple Viper.
Yep, I think it was the only one of its kind.
Yeah, one of one. I think we have a picture for it. We'll put it up here if we have it still. Yeah, we got the M3, of course, and we also have the E60 over there. We're about to go ahead and get into some fun. For those of you that don't remember, NV Auto Group is the one that has done my exhaust, and they've been really good to us. About to get on our way. We'll see you guys there. We made it to the event, as you may see. Music's going, a couple cars arriving. It's looking like this is going to be a good turnout. What's going on, fellas?
Hey, what's up, man?
How you doing, bro?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you. What's up, man? How you doing, baby?
This is Josh, he's a good friend of mine.
I like that fuchsia color, whatever the hell that is. Magenta? I don't even know.
FRS?
Yeah, that's a nice color on that bad boy.
Where did my friend go? Fuck.
Y'all know this song? Aw.
I'm too young.
Yeah. That ain't it. I love these every time I see them. Mom, Dad, I hope you guys see this. Ah, yeah.
So yeah, that's my full Grand. Just over there. You can see a nice little front mount.
I know how that is.
You got yours today.
I know exactly how that is.
Just literally got her rims on hers today. But no, I had one of those. I can't fucking have.
boy Stephen Van. You already know.
I remember you coming to the event.
Yeah.
And,
Wow.
and yeah, I remember that one. Yeah, I remember seeing that guy.
How you doing, baby?
What's up? What's up?
Nah, shit.
Yeah, very serious.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah. Nice color.
Were the Interlagos blue, I think? Yeah.
That is such a nice color.
Yep, that's the one. This is the one Envy sold.
That one's better.
I remember the white one.
I think they sold both of them. Yeah. Mike had the white one himself. My brother from another mother, the E90. ShopBeemerFam.com, baby. Shout out to my boy Peter Lee. GTR looking good as always, bro. New layer customs. Plug it in. Get your wrap there. Follow my boy Peter at Slowzilla on Instagram. How you feeling about this event today?
And it's going good. There's a lot of cars coming out today. It's hard to compare to last year though. We'll see what else rolls through. So far I think last year's got this year beat, but there are some new
There's some nice
good looking
drops.
cars. There's some nice drops here today. Nothing short of good content.
No, nothing short of it. Hashtag blacklist.
Hey, what wheel gap?
Wait, say that again.
Hashtag what wheel gap? What you got over here?
There ain't no wheel gap to be found with them hollow heads riding around. Hello, IQ1. Two. Mm-hmm. $5.45. One of my favorite trucks of all time, as of recent, the track hall. Oh.
Jay.
What's more awkward than that? Not saying anything.
Well, I should have said something.
Hold on.
This is a track hop, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's walking away. Michelle goes, I think that was Dr. Perry, my mom's sister. Look at this.
We just got back from the Lochmoor meet. There's a lot of nice cars out there.
Nice cars, good turnout.
Yeah, got some good footage, got some good pics. Seen some of our friends that we haven't seen in a while, which is always nice.
Yeah.
Good night overall.
Yeah, great night overall.
So I think we're about to go ahead and have a night on the town and have some
Yep.
fun, celebrate.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah, and we'll check you guys out later. And make sure you shop beemerfam.com, click subscribe, drop a like. Thank you guys, and see you later.
Oh, woo. These things are like spaceships. My buddy, his parents got
Hi.
that thing quick though.
What?
Yeah, you're good.
I'm just taping the phone. Well, it's Killington.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Hey.
Did it go in?
No.